Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the DPRODUCT function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function will multiply the values in a field of records in a list or database that will match the conditions that are specified. So the way this function works is pretty simple. It contains three arguments. So the first one will be the database that is right here. The second argument will be the field. So in this case, the field can either be the price, the weight, or the quantity. In our case, it's going to be the quantity. And the last element will be the criteria or the elements that have to be respected. So in our case, those are the conditions. So if, for example, I'm looking for a car that is red, that has a price that is higher than $5,000 and a weight of $2,000, it's going to look for all the red cars that respect those criteria. So for now, we have no red cars that respect this criteria. So if I refresh it, well, as you can see now, we just have one car that respects this criteria. So what exactly is going to happen is that we are going to look inside of this database for the quantity and for this condition right here to be respected. So once this condition right here is respected, what's going to happen is that Microsoft Excel will go in the database, find all the quantities, and multiply them together. So for example, in our case here, this is respected and this is respected. So the answer will be 18 because we'll multiply 6 by 3. So now if we apply the function so you understand a little bit better, so how exactly are we going to write it down? So pretty simple. We're just going to write down equal and then DP and product. There we go. And we can open up a parenthesis. So the first element will be our database. So as I said, this would be our database. Then after that, we want our field. So we want the field to be quantity. Quantity. And at the end, we want the criterias that will be right here. And we close our parentheses. And just like that, now the answer is 3. Why? Because here we have red. The quantity is 3. And here red, it's not respected. So the price is not higher than $5,000 in this case, but the weight is respected. So the 6 will not be applied. So if both of them will have been respected, well, the two elements right here have been respected, the answer will have been 18 because we have two reds and 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. So now it's just 6 because only this element right here respects these criterias right there. So if we refresh it again, now it's 0. Now it's 18. So as you can see, both of them are respected. So this is why it will return 18. So if we change the color, for example, we go from red to green. As you can see, now it's 0 because not one element, not one green car respects the elements that we have right here. And if we refresh it, now it's 1. So it's only this car right here. If we refresh it again, it's 28. So we have this one, and this one. So what's happening is that we multiply 7 by 4 by 1 and gives us 28. So this is how this function works. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, you can check out the links down below and find all my courses about the topic. You should probably like it. So that's it for this video, guys, and see you all in another of my videos.